CNC milling machines are capable of using multiple cutters to cut the workpiece. It uses the cutters based on specific operation dictated in the CNC program. Most milling machines use a cutter magazine of about 20 slots. Set the tools to be used for the milling operation by putting them in appropriate arbors. Go on to then place them in the cutter magazine. Secure each cutter tightly to prevent the cutters from slipping and causing damage. It is very important to make a note of the magazine slot number assigned to each cutter. Verify the position of each cutter with respect to the part program. The milling machine automatically calls up the cutter as per the sequence in the part program. This is noted by a number on the tool page. The tool changer follows the part program and by design picks up the appropriate cutter. It then loads the cutter in the spindle. When the program calls up the next tool, the tool changer will place the existing tool back into the magazine and insert the next tool into the spindle. In order to cut accurately, you must set the tool offset every time the cutter is changed. Slowly bring the cutter to touch the face of workpiece. Then insert a piece of paper between the cutter and the workpiece. Manually set this position in the controller as the tool offset. This will give the machine information about the tool tip location and ensure accurate cutting. Simply call up the program and proceed to make the cut.